If you're trying to grow your chest at home and you've just been doing regular push-ups, that's probably why they're not growing. I made that mistake too. I thought more reps equal more muscle, but that is not how it works. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually grow your chest at home using a few simple upgrades. So the problem with regular push-ups is this: they get easy way too fast. At first, yeah, you feel it, but after a while, your body just adapts to it. So instead of doing more reps, you need to make the movement harder. And I'm gonna show you 3 push-up variations that will actually grow your chest. Number 1, deficit push-ups. This is the most important, and this is what shot my chest up. All it is elevating your hands. On something like dumbbells or books that you can put on each side of your hands that is very sturdy. What this does is let you go deeper at the bottom. And that stretch at the bottom, that's where most of the muscle growth comes from. But when you do deficit push-ups, that's where you're getting a full stretch and a stronger contraction. Hands elevated, body straight, lower yourself slowly, feel that stretch in your chest, then push up and actually squeeze at the top. Number 2, decline push-ups. This is where your feet are elevated. You can use a chair, bench, or anything stable. This little action shifts more of the load into your upper chest. So if you want that fuller chest look, then this is very important. Same idea here. Control the way down, don't rush it, push up strong, and keep tension in your chest. Number 3, diamond push-ups. When your hands are close together forming a diamond shape, this hits more of your inner chest and your triceps. It's also a lot harder than regular push-ups, so if those seem easy, this is gonna quickly humble you. Just keep your elbows close, control the reps, and don't rush through it. Most people mess this up in a few ways. They rush the reps, they don't go deep enough, and they just let their shoulders take over. You wanna feel this in your chest, not just your arms. So remember to slow it down and stay controlled. Remember not to do those back-to-back little push-ups, because those are just gonna slow the process down for you. And how to progress, as I said with the regular push-ups, yeah, you might hit a point where you're just doing a lot and it's not doing anything for you. With these type of push-ups, you can add reps, slow down the tempo, so the slower you go, the more tension your body is gonna feel at. Pause at the bottom. This is big. This will help with anything, no matter what you're doing, especially squat. I need to squat tomorrow, and that's gonna be brutal, so yeah. And elevate your feet more, or stack more books on the deficit push-ups. Just make it slightly harder over time. You don't have to do this from the jump, but you know, if you reach that point, when you reach that point and you do feel like those push-ups are easier and your chest is getting bigger, just add one of those. That's it. Just to keep things simple, do deficit push-ups for 3 sets, decline push-ups for 3 sets, and diamond push-ups for 2 to 3 sets, just depending on how you feel at that point. But each set go this close to failure, and just do this 2 to 3 times a week and you're gonna see so much progress. So you don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, you just need right movements done the right way consistently, and that's exactly how your chest grow. But if you just want a cool chest trainer like this so you could get reps anywhere, when you're at home, when you're out of town, anything just to pack it up so you could get your chest rolling, also train your biceps, your triceps, and train your abs with these 3 wheels so you can do ab rollouts, I'll leave the link in the description for you. It's gonna take you to my TikTok page where I promote fitness equipment, and it's on a huge deal right now, so you just have to get it while you can. But anyways, love you guys, subscribe if you're new, and see y'all later.